So a common question we get asked is, how do I disinfect my furniture? One of the most difficult things to disinfect is furniture because there's so many nooks and crannies and stuff, but you also don't want the disinfectant to soak into a lot of cloth or leather because it'll damage the surface. So a couple things there. If you're using a trigger sprayer and a rag, you're going to use 4 or 5 times more disinfectant, and so therefore damage your materials a little bit quicker than with an atomizer. Secondly, when that squirt bottle squirts it onto the surface, it's actually going to soak in instead of, when it's atomized, dissipating upward into the air. So I'm going to show you how to disinfect furniture really quickly, and I'm going to use JobDoc software to do it. Right now we're filming in JobDoc software that will actually send this video up to the cloud and then kick it out to our customer end user so that we can show that we did a good job disinfecting. So here we go. I'll pick it up and we can go ahead and do it real quickly. Let me get my mask on. Okay, so JobDoc's recording. We're just going to spray over all of these surfaces. Be done in 2 seconds. Here we go. Okay, so if you notice, these are actually wet. You can see that it's actually wet, but it will be dry here in about 90 seconds. Also, where we oversprayed on this back glass back here will actually be dry and won't show water spots or anything like that. So this area will be able to be reused again here in about 2 minutes, and we can change over the people and then reutilize the facility. So that's how you disinfect furniture quickly and easily without having to wipe or anything like that. Thanks.